But today I got a leaky power steering high pressure hose, and then air fuel sensor is shot. I guess I had the exhaust pipe off the car in the elements, probably ruined it. But I'm gonna do the easy one first, which is the air fuel ratio sensor, because this guy goes to the firewall, the hose, and then all through there. So I might have to open up the coolant lines, the heater core lines. I might have to open up those, take them out the firewall, because it goes back under behind those. So anyways, I'm gonna do the air fuel ratio sensor first. So this is a Denso box. For the RSX Type S. Yeah, so I'm gonna be replacing this guy, which is the easier one. Hopefully this sucker ain't stuck. So I do have a code for this, so ooh, I mean, I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but not much for O2 sensors. I know that's what it's supposed to look like now. Whoa, boy, running rich. So I don't know, does it already have anti-seize? Yeah. Crank her down. So let me give you a rundown of what needs to happen in order to replace this high pressure hose. First one, you get this out of the way. Rock Auto, by the way. 50 bucks. So we have to disconnect this line, or this bolt, and then this guy here. Basically the connection. Unhook it here. Unhook it here. We need to remove, I don't know how good, I'm doing this off a GoPro, so or I can't really see too much on the screen, but there's two, your feed and return, those two coolant lines for the heater core. We're gonna have to remove that off the firewall, so we're gonna have to drain the fluid, because right under there's a 10 millimeter bolt that holds the line onto the rack and pinion, the steering rack, and then there's another one here, and of course we already did this one, so we got to remove all of that and get it out. I mean, technically I could just cut it out, but I still need to get the new one in there, so that's why that's why I'm explaining this, and that's what we need to do. But I'm not going to be able to really get into detail while I'm doing it because it's so tight back here, and pretty much probably just gonna be a time lapse of me pulling it out. But it is leaking. It's all wet there. It leaks all on the harness back here, leaks onto the header, and then makes a smoke show every so often when it drips on it. Kind of annoying. People think my car's overheating. In traffic, they're like, "Ah, you're overheating, you're smoking." I'm like, "Nah, it's power steering." But you know, hot dog baby. Anyways, I'm gonna get that going. I have to get a drain pan for the coolant, but my dog's in the back, so I ain't worried about it if it spills a little. Let's go. Yeah, let me go from here to somewhere. I have 6 cars. And now. Get it. Back. Yes. I'm sorry, we're about to go. All right.